YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to install a tow hitch on a 2014 Chevy Silverado. Alright, so here's the Chevy. Here's the tow hitch. And where the tow hitch is going to go, it's here, and those two there, those two down there. So it's going to mount here, and right here. There's 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and mount this up. The way we're going to do this, these are going to be on the first ends, like so. These are going to be right at the end in the front, right here. And these are going to go at the main rear. So I'm going to go ahead and mount these. I'm going to mount these 2 screws and then these as well. And we'll finish off with those. Alright, let me go ahead and put it in place and show you how it looks. Alright, I just wanted to show that I mounted these here in the front already. There they are. Mounted this one and this one here. This last one is this one. It's gonna go right here. That one's there. And the way this last one goes is like so. So reach in here and we're gonna slap it. Oh, this one, my bad. There it is. Put the nut to it. And I'm gonna need 2 hands. I'm gonna need 2 hands. Alright, we're just going to secure all the screws in now. Same thing with this one. And we're gonna finish them off by hand just to make sure they're super tight. So we're gonna go ahead and drive the rest. And that should be the end of it. We just gotta finish off the rest, but that's how you install the tow hitch on a 2013 Chevy Silverado. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Don't forget to hit that bell. All right, let's get out of here before we get kicked out.